Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Shahrukh and you are all welcome on English Ka Teacher 94 English Speaking Learning YouTube channel. Thank you so much for all. Thank you so much for coming. Let's go and learn something. So today I am going to speak in English language in this video. Why is that? This is a channel where I speak in Hindi. In my previous videos, I have spoken in Hindi language to tell you about the tenses, about the English speaking daily phrases, and so many things before. But today I am going to speak in English language so that you can listen to me carefully, you can look at me carefully, and you can understand how to speak English fluently like a native speaker. Trust me, today I want to tell you something that is listening is one of the greatest practices for speaking any language. For example, you want to learn English speaking. You come here at this channel to listen to me. I am speaking in English language to you. You look at me closely, keep your eyes on me, and listen to me very carefully. And then you repeat yourself. Repeat what I said to you. For example, I say, Hi, hello everyone. My name is Mohammad Shahrukh. Now it is your turn, whatever your name is. Let's just say, let's just say for the example, your name is Akash. And Akash, you are looking at my video. Now you are a Hindi speaker, for example. You don't know how to speak English fluently, but you are watching this video to learn to speak English fluently. I am asking you to repeat after me. Okay? I say, hello, my name is Mohammad Shahrukh. Then Akash, you also say and you repeat, hello, my name is Akash. If I say, nice to meet you, you also say, nice to meet you too. If I say, I'm so happy that you all come here, then you also say, I'm really happy that you all come here every day. So this is the way that you learn to speak English fluently, and this is the way that I teach you how to speak English fluently. Now you understand, Akash? Okay? So in this video, I want you to repeat after me and look at me very closely. So if this is a morning, I wake up. Okay? We all wake up every morning. We go to meet a friend. For example, I wake up this morning and you all of a sudden come in front of me and you are my friend, I am your friend. We have been friends for so many years. It's a long time. So I say, how are you? You also say, how are you? Okay. So how are you means in Hindi, आप कैसे हो? अगर हिंदी में आपने कहना है कि आप कैसे हो, तो आप उसको हिंदी में आपने कहना है आप कैसे हो, और उसको अंग्रेजी में बोलना है तो आप कहेंगे हाउ आर यू. So this is the question. This is the question that how to speak English fluently. Okay? So I speak to you, how are you? And you say, I am fine, thank you. And somebody says, how are you to you, Akash? And somebody tells you, how are you? You say, I am fine, thank you. In return, the question or in return, the statement, you can also say, I am fine, thank you. How about you? How about you means मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं? ठीक है ना? मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं? It does it. So I am fine, thank you. What about you? And I say, I am fine too. I am fine too. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. Then again, I say another sentence. I say, you look nice. You look beautiful. You look fresh. You look upset. So many things you can say. For example, I see you in the morning. I come in front of you. I say, how are you? You say, I am fine, thank you. You say, what about you? I say, I am fine too. But I notice that you are not looking good. You are upset. And I say, why do you look upset, Akash? Why do you look upset? You say, yesterday I met with trouble I was in a trouble yesterday. बीता हुआ कल. I was in a trouble. And the thing that happened to me is that somebody stole my money. Somebody stole my money. किसी ने मेरे पैसे चुरा लिए. I say, oh, that is a very sad thing. That's really sad. ये तो बहुत बुरी बात है. ठीक है ना? That's really sad. Then I will ask you again, how much money did you have yesterday? तुम्हारे पास कितने पैसे थे? How much money did you have in the pocket yesterday? You said, I had 5,000 rupees in my pocket. I was in a rush. There were a lot of people around. I was walking on the road and I had so many people around me. And one of them was the thief who stole my money from the pocket. Now, thieves have really good experience about stealing. Okay, they know how to steal things from a very close things. So all of a sudden, thief came to me and he was going across. He was going. He was very close to me. All of a sudden, he took the money and I didn't notice. I didn't know. Then he took 500 rupees out of my pocket and he just ran away. Okay, वो अचानक से मेरे पास आया, पैसे लिए और चला गया. Okay, so this is the thing that happened to me yesterday at some point, some particular point. This is the reason that I am looking sad to you. Oh, then I say, oh, that is really sad, Akash. But don't be sad. You are my friend. I will help you to find your 5,000 rupees. I will help you to find your 5,000 rupees. We should go to the police station. We should lodge a report to the police and we will appeal to the police. We will ask them. We will politely ask the police to find the thief and get those 5,000 rupees back to you. So we both go to the police station. We lodge a report. Then we tell the police that it is very important matter for you. It is very important matter for me. I had only 5,000 rupees in my pocket and the thief came to me. All of a sudden he stole the money and he ran away. So I want you to help me in this matter to find thief and find those 5,000 rupees. Okay? Police says, when the police said, don't worry, don't be upset. We will help you. We are police. We are here to help you and we will try our best to find your 5,000 rupees. And you don't worry, just go home. And when we find that thief and the 5,000 rupees, we will inform you, we will call you, and we will ask you to come to the police station. And you come to the police station and collect your 5,000 rupees. Then you will be happy. And we said that is a great thing. Okay. So this is the very scenario that takes place normally. Okay. This is the very scenario. Normally, people's money are stolen by the thief in so many places. Now, where a lot of people are staying together, a lot of people are hanging out together, there are so many chances that your money gets stolen every day. Okay. So this is the scenario जो मैंने आपको अंग्रेजी में बताया कि किस तरह से पैसे चोरी हो जाते हैं और आप पुलिस स्टेशन जाते हैं. तो मैंने जो भी कहा, whatever I said, it was all in English language. It was all in English language. आप इस वीडियो को बार बार देखें और इसको रिपीट करें और इंग्लिश बोलने का ट्राई करें. ठीक है ना. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.